Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. The 2024 model of the Renault Captur introduced a fresh design approach, showcasing new LED lights for daytime use and a redesigned logo that stand out. The front part of the car has seen a significant makeover. A change does not come around too often in a car lifespan. At the back, the chains are subtler. The taillights still feature their recognizable C-shape, but with a fresh design twist. The Renault emblem on the back has been updated to match the company's new look, and it seems they have finally moved away from adding fake exhaust, a trend many are happy to see fade away. A notable addition to the Captur range is the Esprit Alpine model. Taking the place of the previous RS line, this new model offers buyers a choice among 14 two-tone paint options and a similar number of solid colors. The base model of the 2024 Captur comes with 17-inch steel wheels, but there is the option to upgrade to alloy wheels of the same size or even option for larger 19-inch wheels available for the Esprit Alpine version. The inside of the Captur will look familiar to those who know the car, as the updates are part of a facelift rather than a complete overhaul. The infotainment screen is now larger at 10.4 inches, and the biggest option for the digital display behind the steering wheel measures 10.25 inches. Renault has decided to remove all leather and chrome from the compact crossover interior, optioning instead for material made from renewable resources like hemp. Further choosing the base model, Renault provides a small but capable 3-cylinder 1.0-liter turbocharged engine producing 90 horsepower connected to a 6-speed manual gearbox. A slightly larger 4-cylinder 1.3-liter turbocharged engine is available too, offering 140 horsepower with the same manual transmission. An even stronger version of this engine can produce 160 horsepower and comes with a 7-speed automatic transmission. An alternative is a hybrid model, which combines a 1.6-liter gasoline engine or 94 horsepower with a 36 kW electric motor, an 18 kW high-voltage starter generator, and a 1.2 kW battery for the total power output of 145 horsepower. This version always starts moving in electric mode, and Renault suggests that up to 80% urban driving can be done without using the gasoline engine at all. In line with trend in Europe, the Captur will not have a diesel engine option as manufacturers move away from diesel in smaller vehicles. However, the LPG or liquefied petroleum gas model is available, featuring a 3-cylinder 1.0-liter turbo engine and a 6-speed manual gearbox. When fully full with both gasoline and LPG, this version can travel up to 684 miles.